One of the biggest problems we see facing businesses today is their lack of success online. The old baseball quote, "If you build it, they will come," doesn't apply to your website. Hey y'all, I'm Kori Ashton, and if you're one of the thousands of local entrepreneurs who are struggling to improve your rank and you're struggling to grow your sales online, I hope you'll take time to come join me for the next 2-day workshop, Optimizing Your Online Marketing. We're going to cover the basics of search engine optimization all the way through understanding exactly what Google needs to see from us these days. We'll deep dive into audience modeling and how you can extract some of your data to improve all of your ads out there. Let's talk about conversion optimization and what a landing page might need. At the end of the 2-day workshop, we'll wrap up looking at Google Analytics to help you set that up so that you can track all of these efforts. I hope you stop all the frustration of pouring time and energy and effort into your online marketing, and I hope you invest for 2 days with me. Come grab a ticket, come be a part of this 2-day workshop. It will be a game changer for you. Look forward to seeing you there. Bye, y'all.